hi everyone. It's so zoomed in. The default is so. December 25th. Show yourself.
You're not.
It's way zoomed in.
Okay, first we need to bring.
Hannah's not here either. You got it!
Okay, I was trying to help you.
One, go!
You may not grab a cotton ball with anything except for
Yes, Nana! Yes!
Do we love this sweatshirt? I love this sweatshirt.
my family.
It's so zoomed in. Oh, hold on, I gotta go back here. You can't. Speak up, speak up.
Fit check box from
Yeah.
the store. These are my pants. You guys are
You guys.
fancy knit top with yellow.
Yellow.
Is this from graduating from high school? Yeah.
Wow, that's. Wait, really?
Yep.
Wow.
Got a fancy necklace from graduating from high school.
That's
princess.
Princess.
Rented top that has blackberries on it.
That's exciting. You heard?
Sweatshirt.
You have to. Yeah, you have to speak up.
Overheated sweatshirt. A pajama set from
Target.
Target.
Necklace from Zubin.
My necklace from Francesca. Kendra Scott. Francesca's Kendra Scott.
Wow. The check.
I got a hand-me-down shirt.
Yep.
In green. I got outer known jeans.
Yes.
Outer known jeans.
Oh no.
I got it cheap somewhere, I don't know. I got outer known jeans and I got fat face socks on.
Fat face socks.
Hi guys, say hi Ella.
Hi everyone. Post workout. Post workout. It feels great. We look pretty rough. Looking really good. Yeah. Post Christmas workout, y'all. Yeah. Where are we headed?
We're headed to Sprout to get smoothies.
Smoothies.
Oh, it is opposite. Huh, can you even see it?
A what? A what?
9.5 out of 10.
That's pretty good. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
We could make grilled cheese or
It's very zoomy.
Zooming.
Zooms in a lot.
Whoa. Zooming in.
Cheese.
Bye. I'll be back.
Wow. No, what are you doing then? Oh, you're eating it? Yeah. Yeah, you're eating your gingerbread house?
Have you?
Where does this go? A little easier. In here? Huh? Hey, look at that.
You should play with JJ.
Guys, look at the beads.
Tic-tac-toe game?
No, you have 27 because you put that.
Oh!
Good
All
right.
Wow.
Do it for yourself. Come on. What are you doing?
You're responsible for your own life. Okay, your parents brought you this far.
Hi.
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 Attention.
Hello. Amelia, say hi.
Hi.
Where are we going?
We're going.
Guys, they have vintage vinyl records.
Vintage vinyl records. Wow. Antiques. Oh, guys, I think we need to go in here. Let's go. Thank you. Don't forget to share with me.
Just me and mine, watch out.
I'm not sure you can see what.
What about, where's Hawaii?
Hawaii.
That's not Hawaii, it's over there. I want to spin that. Wow!
I'm sure I call that fun, but.
Yeah.
Can I tell you?
Oh, this is so cool.
She's a Tennessee walking horse. She's gonna be trained to be a rescue horse, where they go in swamps and all that. You know where. He's not 250, he's 225, but this girl has
Thank
great quality. Everybody will
you.
fit. You know, don't drive to Dulles.
Should we give it that one?
Yeah.
Trees.
Into the tree.
That's the original fort that we had over there, and there's a picture. There should be a picture.
Thank you. Oh, you can't see, you can't see.
No, not much.
Crying.
They don't bother you now.
No, I love it actually.
Have they ever come on the property?
We had two, I assume a male and female, came on the property and they stayed for quite a while, a couple of years ago. I guess.
So he writes a lot about her stuff.
What's that?
It's bingo for this party.
For this party?
Bye-bye.
What's this party?
New Year's party.
It's a New Year's party? It's 9:22 on New Year's Eve.
Go ahead.
Question was, which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage sites?
I don't know. So blurry.